Got a little visitor today. Big ol' hawk. I think he put our local squirrel population on high alert. They love our big tree in our backyard. It's a great home for a bunch of squirrels. These are the other trees in here. And I think he's probably keen on those different squirrels, that big squirrel population around here now. They're normally out and about using our neighbor's feeder. They like to raid that hanging feeder there, swinging in the wind. As you can see by all the feet on the ground. I think this guy has them all back in their trees today. He's been sitting there for about, well, I saw him about 15 minutes ago after I finished doing dishes in the kitchen. I was being pretty loud, and he's probably been sitting there for a while since before then. So he seems to be pretty comfortable on this perch there on our new fence. But I think he's going to be sitting there for quite a while waiting for the squirrels to come out, because I don't think they want to have anything to do with him.